Don't get me wrong, baba, mina ingane yakho ngiyayithanda. Mpumelelo ngiyamthanda. Naye uyayazi leyo nto. Kodwa I've made a decision ukuthi sengiright.
A few moments later.
How she wants to act bougie, okay, nadlala hard to get the Mpumelelo nali busy, ashiyana umragagagek. Unfortunately, he doesn't do that, hey? 6 months. Kodwa 6 months ihambe ngaka. Uyathanda ukwenza ngathi izinto uyazazi vele engazazi.
Awusho ukuthi isikhathi esingathi wamziva yena kodwa musu ukuthi 6 months mahle ihamba-ke mhlawumbe phela uyaphazamisa izinto.
We are watching Tirelo throw her last punches. Girl is just going down. Caba uthi, if I can't have him, then ndizomosha leno into and plant seeds of doubt in you. Tirelo is very conniving and people don't say it because she hides it with humor and that annoying laugh. She is intentionally saying and doing things to provoke Amahle, and that is what she did Vuyo on the previous seasons. And Amahle isn't giving her the response she wants. That's why she keeps poking at her. I don't think Amahle umathile because every time she responds, Tirelo unochuku. She keeps throwing jabs at Amahle instead of dealing with the man she chose. She chose Mpumelelo, but now wants to out Amahle that zanga shelwe yena and zange acengwe is 6 months. 6 months, 6 days, it does not matter because ayikufuni. One of the instances I realized that she is disrespectful towards Amahle was when she sent her a WhatsApp text. And then the second time was when she called Amahle uyebo baba. And on this last episode, she's like, oh, ingane yesithembu. And I loved how Amahle responded. But when ingane yapi, something like that. Tirelo akamazo Amahle. She does not know her from a bar of soap, but she wants to pretend like wazi yonke into yenzekayo relationship ka Amahle noMpumelelo. She has no business speaking on her at all. Instead of dealing with the man that she chose and the man that owes her loyalty and decency, she constantly tries to tear another woman down. Now it's becoming so hard for me to feel sorry for her. She is being a bully and a big pygmy. The last time she was saying Vuyokazi is the desperate one, but we are watching her do worse than what Vuyokazi did because she thought Mpumelelo would not turn on her. She loved her relationship when Mpumelelo was with Vuyokazi and Mpumelelo was mistreating Vuyokazi. Now it's her turn in a command.
My sister, you're gonna fight for a man. Have a standard, please. Never. You can't do it to yourself, especially for somebody who will never even fight for you. What are you doing?
We don't see Mpumelelo fighting for her now. The least she can do is try so hard to make Amahle feel left out and acting as if she's friends with the siblings. But that is Tirelo for you. Hayini molweni fam. Welcome to Pop Culture Daily News. Ninjani. So the outbreak at the dinner table was so unnecessary, and for the first time I see nothing wrong with how Mpumelelo handled this situation because that should have been addressed privately. Tirelo just wanted to prove to Amahle once again and the siblings that she rejected ilobola yena nguye olahle Mpumelelo and that yena uthetha nobaba wabo ude athi wamxelela utata which is uMusa that akasamfuni umntanakhe. Ndixelele ke kwabanye abantwana apha etafuleni bona bangenaphi kulondo leyo. Also Ibhubesi doesn't like his women having a relationship nabantwana bakowabo. But my question is, why does he introduce his girlfriends to his siblings if he doesn't want them to interact or baqhelane bebonke? I remember when he drove with Ulwandle to introduce Ulwandle to his girlfriend Amahle at some restaurant. He's been doing that. Abazazi of Nando Nofan, uyabona ba ziyamjikela ngoku. He wants to put the blame on Utirelo for drinking with the siblings and also blame Usne for making Utirelo drink, which she did not. What I love about the siblings is that, Yazi, I've never heard any of the siblings saying, oh, we love this one or we prefer this one. They accept whoever Mpumelelo brings, but Mpumelelo just wants to bully people to doing what he wants. Now let's talk about Izingane Zesithembu nje zizonke. The reason why Mpumelelo and his polygamy or Isithembu is carrying that show is because all the other siblings have absolutely nothing to offer. Ayine, no entertainment whatsoever. Aibo bayabanda ceke. They can just go on and live their lives. They don't deserve a reality show at this moment. Do you know that you can be inspirational not by umjolo wodwa? Show us the big moves you are making. Mpilo, go visit your mother. Go visit your mother's family. We've never seen you there. We see you meeting your mom in restaurants. Doesn't your mom have a home, Kanti? Take her out shopping. Lwandle, start a business. Show us what you can do. Show us what you do to unwind. Kasibonisa umuntu wakho noba intoni ke ngilonto yiyo kuthiwa kaloku wena utshayise nemoto ubuye ubona umntu but lo mntu akaziwa mntakabawo akaziwa na ngabantwana bakho wenu. Hayi bhuti
wangitshela ukuthi wavula imoto lapho ehambile yocheka.
If umuntu wakho ke akafuna ubonakala eTVini noko masive i-phone call conversations, you buying flowers, ntontoni man, kubone laa nto inikisa umdla from your guys' side as well. Yo, asisathembi thina noba nyani ubuye ubona umntu kanye you were just, I don't know, ubuthunyiwe somewhere. Abongwe, wena filmmaker student, since you are a content creator in food content, khawusibonise behind the scene. Show us where you get paid partnerships and how much you are making. Someone can learn something from that information, you know. This show doesn't have to be about umjolo nompumelelo in nightclubs and girlfriends. Let it revolve around things that are building you up at the same time. We want to see your lives change. We want to see how Izingane Zesithembu branch out on their own and they fly, you know, yet they still come together as one. Yeah, reality TV doesn't have to be toxic. As for Usne, oh my darling, you owe us nothing. We saw everything there is to see. You let us in about your past, how you grew up, your struggles, your kids, your boyfriends, your relationships with your father and your mothers. Maybe now we want to see you rebuilding your life, but you owe us nothing, my darling. Abanye hayi barhoqe nyawo ngoku shema ndifuna uxoka. Hayi. Le show cannot be about umpumelelo. Or maybe ke ingumpumelelo ngoku because of the fact that he's also the executive producer and wants to make Let's continue this on the comments below. Dimlibala njani Amahle, guys. Bethunani, I'm going to need Amahle to reconsider this marriage thing. You can't be negative about your man in a honeymoon phase. I am Funova. Because what do you mean you can't trust your man with your womb? You can't give ibubesi umntwana because you are seeing that once ibubesi walinika umntwana lizokujikela. Nimvila ngoko besitsho, guys. Why are you even here marrying this person? You know his ways, but uyaqhubekeka njani, girl? And not onke amadoda ayakujikela xa unomntana. So uthetha definitely ngebhubesi eliyana. Ucinge lo hlobo ngomntu wakhe. And the way uAmahle atyhafe ngalo nomzimba uthe loxo, it really worries me. She is there physically but emotionally and otherwise ingqondo ayikho i-absent mntakabawo. akakhathali, she gives one word answers, and I'm like, girl, are you even ready for this? Because isithembu sifuna umuntu othethayo. Look at umayeni, she was quiet, emane dlala Candy Crush bakhe, but wabona ba if andithethi apha ndizongcungcutheka. I really hope ke that uAmahle won't be like uShebase. It starts with choosing silence until you are grown and fed up because of all those years being emotionally neglected and being disrespected. Next thing, you are consumed by anger and resentment. But I'm not saying that she must match Tirelo's energy. She can remain who she is, cool, calm, and collected. I respect her for staying that calm and not reacting to Tirelo's petty provocations. But you, ulena uthetha mntombi, uthethe ikhuphe ngoku lento ikutshisayo. Masigqibezele this conversation on the comments below. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you do not miss any content from this channel. Okay, I'll see you on the next one. Bye. As for abantu ke bathi she is smart, but no smart person is marrying uMphumelelo Mseliku. I am sorry. Guys, let's continue these conversations